So now we're going to do a test run here for the side slits. So the first thing, so this piece will act as the front panel and this is the back panel. And what we need to do is, we already know that the seam is sort of there. But for these ones, we're not going to do seams now. So what we need to do is we need to cut here about like that. I think should be fine. And cut it even a little bit more so that we have a opening that looks like this. So we're going to serge the front and the back panels now together. And what we're going to do is we're going to, when we get to the slit, we're going to open up the slit like this so that it passes the needles. So so there we've got our front and our back panel now sewn together, and we've got the opening for the slit there. So now we need to attach the twill tape here. Okay. So we're going to attach the twill tape now. So we first, I think we do it like this. So we've got the opening there, like that. So let me use this foot. I don't like this foot, but okay. So, okay, so let me keep it in there. Then we fold it over like this. And we continue right up to the end. Okay. Let me cut it shorter a bit, like this is fine. So now it looks like this. So what we want to do is we want to fold this one over like here and turn it like this, and then we're going to do a stitch right there in the middle there up to this point. Let us see what it looks like at the bottom. It looks fine. All right, do this. Up, 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 right there. I think it's fine. Okay. Now the only thing that I sometimes forget is that this, when you do the other side, it's on the, you have to do the turn on the other side. So now what we're going to do, so it looks like this now basically. We're going to fold this part in there, and we're going to stitch. So it must be done correctly, because this seam here is going to get the top stitch to make it flat. So it's folded in there now. So I'm going to start at the bottom. Yeah, remember now we've got a seam here on the original ones. So we'll check it out now. So this one is going to go in here like this. And it's going to be closed up, so let me cut it shorter. Okay, there it is. Okay, so we've got a nice slit here. It's not absolutely perfect, but it doesn't matter because this is just a test. Okay, so now everything is nice and flat. Put that in there. Okay, right up to there, I think is fine. One back. Fold it up here, and it makes the pans stronger as well. So it's just a great method of finishing your pans, and it absolutely looks perfect at the end if you do it right. Of course, you must use the same color thread so that your the thread blends in with the so there it is, nicely done. I think it is fine for now. It's nice and square there. At the back it looks perfect. It's not aligned here, but it doesn't matter. When we do the pans, we'll make sure they're aligned. This is just a test. But this is really a simple and easy method to do the, and it's strong. What you can do is you can put the extra stitch here. Normally I put the extra stitch here on top. And we'll just change the color of the thread and the foot. So now there's an extra stitch there, so it's nice. And so let's do the pans and see how it turns out.